Hello guys. Welcome to Wow Hotel Reviews. Today I am reviewing Days Inn by Wyndham Pensacola, historic downtown. It's a 2-star hotel. Please use our booking.com link in description to book the hotel and get special pricing. Some of the most popular facilities are one swimming pool, pet-friendly, free parking, free Wi-Fi, non-smoking rooms, family rooms and a tea, coffee maker in all rooms. Located just off Interstate 110, this hotel is 1 mile from the Pensacola Historical Museum. Guests can swim in the outdoor pool at the Days Inn by Wyndham Pensacola, historic downtown. Laundry facilities, vending machines and barbecue grills are also on site. Free Wi-Fi access and a flat-screen cable TV are included in every room at the Days Inn by Wyndham Pensacola, historic downtown. They also have a refrigerator, microwave and coffee maker. Pensacola Regional Airport is 5 miles from the hotel. The Cobb Community Center is 1 mile away. Use our link in description to get special discount on this hotel. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel.